We had another snowy weekend, so it was the perfect time to make a pot of creamy vegetable beef stew. I made mine in the crock pot, so it was simmering all day. For the ingredients, I used pot roast, baby Dutch potatoes, shallots and garlic, carrots and celery, vegetable recipe mix and onion gravy mix, and cream of mushroom soup. I placed salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and some flour in a bag to coat the pot roast. Then I seared the meat in a hot pan on the stove. After browning the meat, I placed it in the crock pot. Next, I sauteed the garlic and shallot in some olive oil. I added some red wine to remove the fond from the bottom of the pan. Then I added it to the crock pot, along with the carrots, celery, and potatoes. Next, I blended the gravy mix and vegetable mix with hot water. Then I added a can of cream of mushroom soup, I let this cook on low for 8 hours. I hope you try and make this creamy beef vegetable stew. Thank you for watching.